Hello friends and family of SeaTrek BVI. My name is Caitlin and I'm a Fathoms alum and SeaTrek's incoming lead biologist for summer of 2021. I'm absolutely ecstatic to be exploring the BVI with you this summer and teaching you about our local ecosystems on main program. If you're looking to dive a little bit deeper into marine biology above and below the surface, we have the program for you. Fathoms, or Focused Adventure Through Hands-on Marine Science, provides students with the opportunity to see what it's like to be a marine biologist. This 21-day program allows you to explore your passion for the ocean through projects, teamwork, and scientific diving. I participated in Fathoms 5 years ago and can hands down say that it gave me the experience and the confidence that I've used in marine science projects around the world. Fathoms absolutely redefines the idea of a classroom because each day and each dive, marine biology literally comes to life right in front of you. If you want to learn more about this program, call 887-467-2454. And I will see you all this summer.